Welcome to our discussion on Ritual to Make Her Love You Forever. A heartfelt ritual is essential to win the heart of your beloved. This ancient practice will strengthen the bond between you, ensuring a loving and lasting relationship. To begin, gather your supplies including a love candle, honey, rose petals, and a silver trinket. Light the love candle, and as it burns, offer a sweet kiss to the flame. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of honey onto the candle, symbolizing the sweetness of your love. Now, hold the rose petals in your hands and recite the ancient love spell. Close your eyes and imagine your partner's face, feeling the warmth of your love. Finally, present the silver trinket to the candle, representing your commitment to their happiness. As the ritual concludes, breathe deeply and feel the love envelop you both. This ritual has the power to make your love last forever, so embrace it with all your heart. Ladies and gentlemen, this is another method of the above-mentioned ritual. You can choose from either of the two. We'll be discussing a powerful ritual to make a woman love you forever. This ritual is designed to strengthen the bond between two people, create an intense connection, and ultimately make your love last a lifetime. To begin, gather your supplies: a silver candlestick, rose petals, honey, and a love letter you wrote to her. Light the candlestick, and while it's burning, take a step back from her to reflect on the depth of your love. Pour a spoonful of honey onto the rose petals, and take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature's gift. Next, read the love letter to her, tears streaming down your face, feeling the warmth of her presence. Now, take a deep breath and seal the letter with a kiss. Combine the honey and rose petals and sprinkle it around the couple, symbolizing the sweetness of their love. Finally, invite the spirit of love to fill your relationship and hold hands as you vow to always be there for each other. As you perform this ritual, know that you've created a love so powerful it can withstand the test of time. If you enjoyed watching our video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below for more videos. From Your Faith Works TV, we say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.